MyBRTV.
All right, give you one last check of the forecast here real quickly. 85 degrees the expected daytime high today. Breezy conditions today and tomorrow. Then a chance of rain enters the forecast for Monday into Tuesday. All right, we have some special guests this morning. Pack 378 from Sacred Heart. They're here this morning to get a tour of the station.
And they're joining us for our last Saturday morning show.
That is right. We are no longer going to be airing a show this on Saturday morning, but I will be here for cut-ins during the early show, so you can still get your weather updates there. We will have live weather updates for that, but no Saturday morning show anymore.
But we will still be here on Sunday mornings
That's
at
right.
7 a.m., so make sure you check in with us then. Jeff and I would love to see you.
Absolutely. So we'll see you tomorrow at 7 o'clock for our show on Sunday morning. All right, we're going to say goodbye. We're going to let the Cub Scouts wave
goodbye.
And say goodbye to the guys.
Bye.
Got an active bunch today. I'm sorry I volunteered to do the tour.
Yeah, no, you're not.
All right, we'll see y'all back here at 6 o'clock and 10 tonight.